Hi world, it's me, Ali. So for today's video, it is a week in a life as a Archi student, but OJT season. So for today, it is Monday and it is 4:13 a.m. Ang ginagawa ko right now is printing ng SEA reviewer. Sana bumasa ako. Nakaka-pressure yung yung schedule. Kasi sa week ng SEA, nag-OJT kami. So parang, paano ko yung pagre-review sa, pag-OJT, diba? And then, pasok ko sa OJT is always 8 o'clock a.m. So, yung pinag-OJT-han ko is from QC pa. And nandito ako sa Pasig. So, parang mas mahal yung commute ko kasi sa pagkain ko. So, parang tiis-tiis lang muna. It is mid-year. Next week, oh, no. This week is my birthday. Sorry, nakalimutan ko sa sobrang busy. Okay. So, Friday is my birthday. Pero sa Saturday ko siya celebrate kasi I'm pretty busy with this week kasi OJT nga. Tapos, tinatry kong isingit yung pagre-review ko sa SEA. So, yeah, that's all.
Spent the nights under covers.
Tignan nyo naman yung score ko. I think naman nag-improve naman ako kasi mas favorite ko yung plumbing kesa sa electrical. Pero ang favorite subject ko talaga to take is Prof. Prac and interior. Gusto ko yung interior. And then, favorite ko yung HOA. Kasi I'm into history rin. Pero, ang problema lang sa HOA, masyado siya madami to memorize. So, parang, hindi ko siya kaya pag ganun pinagsabay.
Middle your number. Said we're done, at least that's what I tell my friends. I just don't know anymore. But it's not my fault. I don't fuck with anybody else. I can't let it go.
So, my breakfast for today is red velvet and milk. I know, parang pambata siya, pero I don't eat heavy meals in the morning. So, yeah.
Making up naked down on the floor. Drunk and spinning in circles, end up in the same place as before. This time is different, I swear I'm not making up for lost time. Whatever you gotta wake in the morning to help yourself to sleep any better, like good night. I know I shouldn't call you up at 3.
Girl, I never cried in my entire life. Kung ganito kadami. 3 years, let's make it 3 weeks. I'm gonna take a bath na para umalis na. And I'm gonna rush. Bye-bye. Yeah! I'm in January. So we're here in... Where are we? Work. Work!
I could do the same 51st dates if they all went like this. Coffee in the car, sushi under stars, running around the streets like kids.
Cause you make me wanna cancel all of my plans. It's a sunny day when you're with me. I don't care where we land.
360, spinning me around, tell me how you want me. On repeat, can we go again? Kiss me
Cute naman. Cute na natutunan ko. Hello. Tuwa 6. Hello. Hi ka po ate. Hi.
So all of my plans. It's a sunny day when you're with me. I don't care where we live.
So, we're on our way at the Jollibee. Pakainit. Ayaw lang pa mag-order. Ako ba?
Every little moment playing back inside of my head. Let's do it again. It just cycle. We don't have to know how it ends.
We're done! We're going home. Bye. Good morning, ate. Sumama lang ako kasi binati ko lang si ate. Hey! Alright, we're going home. And that's for Monday. And that's all for today, which is Monday.
Ilalak na ba natin?
Yeah.
Yes.
Hi guys, nasa Manila ako kasi may ipapasa akong requirements sa school. Hindi ko napasa kasi yung parental consent. So para pupunta ako sa school. I'm here at school now. Pwede pala mag-civilian dito.
On repeat, can we go again? 'Cause beyond the concrete.
So, we're done passing the requirements. Namamablema siya, baka nandito siya. We're commuting to the office na para makamura-mura because apakamahal ang Grab. Okay, bye!
360, wanna play it back from the beginning.
We're gonna go to the CR again. Kasi katatapos lang namin mag-lunch. Hi, ate. We're back it again. Say hello. Hello. We came here because lagi kami umiihi dito. Nandito lang kami para batiin si ate. So we're here in Everyday Cafe. Nandito si Pao. Pilates. Yes.
What's your
First time. I ordered matcha latte. How about you?
Spanish latte. Iced.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay.
You were outside of the window, pretty brown eyes in a red coat. Back when I tried to let my hair go, feels so long ago. Jumping that fence on the west side to get to that.
We are done for today. Yes, wala na tayong ginagawa eh. That's all. See you tomorrow.
When I woke up in the morning, we go out and pretend we were in London. You stay with me till the morning, staring out the same window like a picture frame. I can hear you calling every single one of my nicknames. Going somewhere only we know.
down, I'm at Ayala Feliz. Tapos magbubuk na ako ng angkas papunta doon kasi walang sakayan doon. So, yeah. I have to take an angkas. Pero this is my fit. Office. Yeah. Bye! So today is Wednesday and our agenda for today is shelf. Number 2, the pantry cabinet. Like, aayusin namin yung cabinet doon sa pantry. Hanging shelf para sa mga router. And lastly, cabinet sa ilalim ng CCTV. Dapat today yung matatapos sa mga lahat na yun. At dapat today rin na matatapos yung office makeover. And mamaya, I'm gonna submit a weekly report for the OJT. So yun lang. That's an update.
One of my nicknames. We would just dance under yellow lights. Summer romance never felt so right. We would just drive up and down the coastline, spending every night packing out a white wine. Every now and then I start to wonder, where did we go? Used to talk about forever, what the hell did we know? Racing in my car on the 405, hand outside the window just to clear my mind. You were all I really ever wanted. When I woke up in the morning, we go out and pretend we were in London. You'd stay with me till the morning, staring out the same window, like a picture frame. I can hear you calling every single one of my nicknames. Going somewhere only we know, like we got all day. I can hear you calling every single one of my nicknames. Like a picture frame. I can hear you calling every single one of my nicknames. Going somewhere only we know, like we got all day. I can hear you calling every single one of my nicknames.
And yeah, I'm going home na rin. I'm going home. Yeah. Next day na lang. Hi guys. So, it's my birthday. Tapos, papasok ako sa OJT. And then, ililibre ko sila ng go-to drink na lang. So yeah, I'm currently here in Pickup Coffee. It's lahat. Tapos, isang white mocha latte. Tapos, isang Milosaurus. Thank you. I secured the bag. It's giving mga rom-com, journalist ang atake ng babae pag pupuntang work. May hawak na Starbucks, tapos yung parang nagko-call pa siya, ganun. Yun lang. My fantasy. Pero, sa Pilipinas ako box. Yun lang ang problema. Good morning, everyone. Ube milk.
Thank you. Ba't ka bumili?
It's my
Birthday! Happy birthday.
thanks.
Memorize ko yun. Autumn.
Mas bagay sa yung color. Eh.
Memorize ako ng yellow.
But your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat, pack of spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing running about the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held
Alright.
Bye guys.
Bye, guys. So, we're having lunch. Where are we going?
Wala siya. Pansit na lang.
Yun na yun. Siya yung sponsor. Nice one. We're back. We're back at again. And it's raining outside. Thankfully, nandito na kami sa office. And yeah, tulog na kami.
Guys, ang dami pa.
Yes.
Mga small.
Ay, chaba, chaba, chik, chik. Yeah.
Ang cute!
Ah, ito na yung mga hindi bendable.
Where is that bendable, not bendable or what? It is fixed.
Sa basket refuge, there is journalism, role-playing games, or future environmental assessment.
We're gonna go bathroom break again kasi malapit na mag-uwian. And that's how we end our day. By going to the restroom. So yeah. Basta. Wala yung isa. Complete family kayo dito.
Leave my head. What could I have done? Could I have said I'll never know?
Bye-bye ka muna sa camera pa. Bye-bye. Ang cute. We're going home. I'm going home. And yeah, uwian na namin.
Di ba yung nalobat?
Malolobat na. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Sometimes opposites attract, but another so maybe it was just
Na Latina. Kala ko ba pambahay?
Kuno, ito pang bahay, ito hindi.
Ay, pupunta si Juris. Tobits yan! That's my tomboy, number 1. Oh my God! Life break.